If you're having a housewarming party, it's nice to let your guests know what you want and need for your new house. These 15 registry ideas will help you stock your registry with the essentials. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for new videos every week. Creating a housewarming registry has been a new trend over the past several years. They're great because they let your guests know what you want and need for your new house, and they don't have to struggle to find you a gift, and you don't end up with a bunch of junk that you don't need. You can create a housewarming registry at stores like Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, The Container Store, and on Amazon. You want your housewarming registry to include functional items that you need and will use in your home, as well as items that you want but might not splurge on for yourself. You want to include items of varying price points, and it's best to keep at least 50% of your list at $50 or under. You can include some larger and more expensive items on your registry as well for family and close friends. These 15 ideas will help get you started, and I've linked a lot of my favorites that I mentioned in the video down below in the description. So if you see something that you like and want to add to your registry, click down below to add it to yours. First is an electric wine opener. This is one of the things on our registry that I was most excited about. It makes opening wine so much easier, and you don't have to struggle in front of your guests with trying to open a bottle of wine with a manual opener. Next is a set of nice sheets. Nice sheets are probably something that you won't splurge on for yourself. I know for me and my husband, we had a couple of sets of sheets that were just okay. They weren't that nice, so we did end up registering for a set of nicer, higher thread count sheets. And it's always nice to have extra sheets. You want to have at least 2 sets of sheets. That way you have one to wash and one to put on the bed, and having more is always nice as well. Next is new towels. When you move into a new house, sometimes your old towels just feel so worn out and old, or maybe they don't match the decor in your new place. It's always nice to get a new set or a few sets of new fluffy towels for your new place. Next is a handheld vacuum. Now, I am a total clean freak, so I have tons of different types of vacuums in my house, and I am not a fan of brooms. I just don't feel like they clean up well. So having a handheld vacuum is really great in order to clean up quick messes, especially if you only have a traditional upright corded vacuum. If you have a handheld vacuum, it makes cleaning things up so much easier. They usually just rest on a dock, charging, grab it, clean up what you need to, and put it away. One of my favorite handheld vacuums, and the one that we put on our registry for our house, was the Black & Decker Dust Buster. It works really well and has a great charging stand, and it's so easy to use. And I'm of the opinion that if something is easier to use, you will be much more likely to use it. So if you have a handheld vacuum, you're gonna be much more likely to clean up a mess than you would if you had to bust out a broom or a whole entire vacuum. Next is a small carpet cleaner. These are so essential if you have kids or pets, and they're also great to clean up any other spills or messes made by adults as well. This is something that my mom got us for our housewarming, and it has saved our furniture and carpet countless times. The one that we use and love in our house is the Bissell Spot Bot Pet. It's really great because you just fill it with the soap and water, place it on the stain, and walk away, and it takes care of the rest for you. So again, it's something that will be super easy to use and has come in handy more times than I can count. The next idea is a steam mop. If you have a lot of tile or hard floors in your house, chances are you'll be doing a pretty good amount of mopping. And even if you don't have a lot of hard floors, the steam mops still come in really handy. In my opinion, they are the best type of mop to use because not only do they clean your floors, they also sanitize them as well, and they do it with just distilled water, no harsh chemicals. I absolutely love our steam mop and use it all the time. The one that we have and use in our house is the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Next is drawer organizers. These are something that you might not spend the money on yourself, but will make a huge difference, especially in your kitchen and bathrooms. In the kitchen, they keep all of your utensils from sliding around and keep your drawers from becoming a disorganized mess. The ones that I absolutely love and use in our drawers are the bamboo drawer organizers. They come in lots of different sizes and are easy to customize, and they look really good inside of the drawers. Next is Pantry Organization. Along with drawer organizers, this will make a huge difference in your kitchen and really help keep it clean and organized. And it will keep your pantry looking nice. For pantry organization, you want to include items like food storage containers, spice organization, and lots of baskets. Idea number 9 is new plate sets. If you are anything like my husband and I, we moved into our new house with our plates that we have had since college. Or maybe you have some hand-me-down plates that you have just been making it work with. Either way, it's really nice to, when you move into a new house, to get a new set of plates. And for us, it was really nice to have a new set of plates that felt a lot more adult. Along with that, if you're working with an old set of plates, you're highly likely to be working with a old or hand-me-down set of utensils or silverware. So it's probably also a good idea to register for a new set of utensils. Chances are your cooking utensils could also use an upgrade too. These are really good to add to your registry. That way you have a lot of different small items. People can pick up a few or a lot. And if you know somebody that likes to create baskets, these are perfect to collect a bunch of them and put into a basket. I would also lump measuring cups and spoons into this category as well. Those are also really nice to add to your registry. Next is a crock pot or an instant pot. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend that you get one or both of them. They are both great time savers and make cooking dinner so much easier, and you can find so many great recipe ideas online and especially on Pinterest. Idea number 13 is a nice set of knives. A nice set of knives can really upgrade your cooking game. You can register for a large set that comes in a block, or you can register for individual knives if you want to pick each of them out. To go with that, a large wooden cutting board is always really good to have. It makes chopping a lot easier because you have a larger surface area, and they always look really nice in your house. Idea 15 is serving bowls or platters. Whenever you have people over, it's nice to have something that you can serve food in. Register for a couple of different ones in some different sizes. That way, whenever you have get-togethers at your new house, you're not scrounging for plates and bowls large enough to put the food in. If you are a new homeowner, I have lots of resources to help you create a home you love. I have a free course called the Color Palette Crash Course that teaches you the exact steps that you need in order to create a whole home color palette and get started decorating your home. To get that, just click on the first link down below in the description. That will take you to a page where I ask for your name and email address. Just pop in your name and email, that way I know where to send it. I'm also working on a course for new homeowners that teaches you how to take your home from empty to expertly decorated. So if you're ready to take the next steps in creating a home you love, you'll find the link to the Design Your Dream Home course down below in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.